Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's online class, we will continue with our lesson Go Dohanam, milking the cow. In the last video, we have seen that Chandan and Mallika both decided not to milk the cow for a month. At the end of the month, when Chandan tried to milk the cow, he didn't get even a single drop of milk. Instead of getting milk from the cow, he got kicked by her and got drenched in blood. In the end, Chandan and Mallika realized their mistake. They regretted their decision of not milking the cow for a month. In today's class, we will see the remaining part of the story. So let's get started with our lesson Go Dohanam. Here is the Natyanshah. I'll read it out. Chandanah vadati, Devi, मयापि ज्ञातं यत् अस्माभिः सर्वथा अनुचितमेव कृतं यत् पूर्णमासपर्यन्तं दोहनं न कृतम् अतएव दुग्धं शुष्कं जातं सत्यमेव उक्तं कार्यम् अद्यतनीयं यत् तदद्यैव विधीयतां विपरीते गतिर्यस्य स कष्टं लभते ध्रुवम् मल्लिका वदति आम् भर्तः सत्यमेव मयापि पठितं यत् सुविचार्य विधातव्यं कार्यं कल्याणकाङ्क्षिणा यः करोत्यविचार्यैतत् स विषीदति मानवः किन्तु प्रत्यक्षतया अद्य एव अनुभूतम् एतत्. Let me mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Here are the words. Mayapi अनुचितमेव अतएव सत्यमेव कार्यमद्यतनीयं तदद्यैव गतिर्यस्य स कष्टं करोत्यविचार्यैतत् and स विषीदति. Let's see the resolution of these words. Mayapi, the vichhedah is Maya plus api. Anuchitameva is an example of sanyogah and the resolution is Anuchitam with halantama plus eva. Ata eva is the example of sandhihi and the resolution is Atah plus eva. Satyameva is again the example of sanyogah and the resolution is Satyam plus eva. The next word Karyamadyataniyam is also an example of sanyogah and the resolution is Karyam with halantama plus adyataniyam. Tadadyaiva, it's the example of sandhihi and the vichhedah is Tat plus adya plus eva. Gatir yasya, vichhedah is Gatihi plus yasya. Sakashtam, the sandhi vichhedah is Sah plus kashtam. Karotya vicharyaitat. Three words are joined here under the rules of sandhihi and the words are Karoti plus avicharya plus etat. Savishidati, the dissolution is Sah plus vishidati. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation. Chandanah vadati, Devi, मयापि ज्ञातं यत् अस्माभिः सर्वथा अनुचितमेव कृतं यत् पूर्णमासपर्यन्तं दोहनं न कृतं. Chandan says, O revered lady or O gentle lady, even I have realized that we have done an absolutely wrong deed, that we didn't milk the cow for a month. Ataeva dugdham shushkam jatam. That's why the milk has gone dry. Satyameva uktam. Satyam, true. Eva, indeed. Uktam is said. What is said is indeed true. Karyamadyataniyam yat tadadyaiva vidhiyatam viparite gatiryasya sakashtam labhate dhruvam. Karyam, work or task. Adyataniyam, today's work. Yat means which and tat means that. Adyaiva, today itself. Vidhiyatam is to be done, should be done. Today's work is to be done today itself. Viparite gatiryasya means the one who acts in the opposite way. It means the one who keeps on postponing his work, the one who delays. Sakashtam labhate dhruvam. Kashtam labhate, he gets himself into trouble. Dhruvam, certainly. The one who acts in the opposite way, he certainly gets himself into trouble. The translation of the entire verse is, the work which is prescribed for today is to be done today itself. The one who acts in the opposite way certainly gets himself into trouble. Mallika vadati, am bhartah. Am, yes, bhartah, husband. The word bhartah is the sambodhan vibhakti of the word bhartru. It means husband. Am bhartah, yes, O husband, satyameva, it is indeed true. Mayapi pathitam yat. Pathitam, read. Even I have read, yat, that, suvicharya vidhatavyam karyam kalyanakankshina yah karotya vicharyaitat sa vishidati manavah. Suvicharya, after thinking properly. Karyam vidhatavyam, should act. One should act. Kalyanakankshina, the one who wishes for his well-being. The one who wishes for his well-being should act after thinking properly. Yah karotya vicharyaitat. Yah, the one or who, karoti, acts, avicharya, thoughtlessly, without thinking. Sa vishidati means he becomes sorrowful or he gets agony. Manavaha, man. The man who acts thoughtlessly, he becomes sorrowful or gets agony. The translation of the entire verse is, the one who wishes for his well-being should act after thinking properly. The man who acts thoughtlessly, that is, without giving a proper thought, he becomes sorrowful or he gets agony. Kintu pratyakshataya adya eva anubhutam etat. Kintu, but, pratyakshataya, actually, in reality, adya eva, today itself, anubhutam etat, anubhutam, experienced. But we have experienced it in reality today itself. But we have actually experienced it today itself. So Mallika is saying here that the thought expressed by the verse has been personally experienced by them. Now let's see some important forms with pratyayas. Krutam, the dhatuhu is kru and the pratyayah is kta. Jnatam, the dhatuhu is jna and the pratyayah is kta. Jatam, janaja dhatuhu plus kta pratyayah. These three forms we have already seen in the last part. Pathitam, pat dhatuhu plus kta pratyayah. And anubhutam, here anu is the upsargah, bhu dhatuhu plus kta pratyayah. Students, as I have told you earlier, we will learn about the ta pratyay forms in detail afterwards. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. The word Shushkam is the Visheshanam of the word Dugdham, and the word Adyataniyam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Karyam. I hope you have understood it.
So students, we have seen a part from the Panchamam Drishyam. I hope you have understood it. Now let me take you to the next and the last part of the Panchamam Drishyam.
अग्रिमः नाट्यांशः। अहं नाट्यांशं पठामि। सर्वे दिनस्य कार्यं तस्मिन्नेव दिने कर्तव्यं। यः एवं न करोति सः कष्टं लभते ध्रुवम्। जवनिकापतनं सर्वे मिलित्वा गायन्ति। आदानस्य प्रदानस्य कर्तव्यस्य च कर्मणः क्षिप्रमक्रियमाणस्य कालः पिबति तद्रसम्। Let me mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are tasminneva, kshipramakriyamaणस्य and tadrasam. Let's see the vichhedah of these words. Tasminneva is an example of sandhihi and the resolution is tasmin plus eva. Kshipramakriyamaणस्य is an example of sanyogah and the resolution is kshipram plus akriyamaणस्य, and tadrasam is again the example of sandhihi and the resolution is tat plus rasam. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words. Sarve vadanti dinasya karyam tasminneva dine kartavyam. Sarve, all, dinasya karyam, the work prescribed for the day, tasminneva dine, on the same day, kartavyam, should be done. The work prescribed for the day is to be done on the same day. Yah evan na karoti, the one who doesn't do so. Saha kashtam labhate dhruvam, he certainly gets into trouble. Javanika patanam, javanika, curtain, patanam, falls, curtain falls, as it is a play and it ends here, so javanika patanam, curtain falls. Sarve militva gayanti, all sing together. Adanasya pradanasya kartavyasya cha karmanah kshipramakriyamaणस्य kalah pibati tadrasam. Adanasya means receiving or accepting. Pradanasya, giving. Kartavyasya cha karmanah, kartavyasya karmanah means the work which has to be done. It means performing one's own duty. Actions like receiving, giving and performing one's own duty. Kshipram, immediately or quickly. Akriyamaणस्य, if not done or if not executed. Kalah means time. Pibati is used in the sense of takes away. Tadrasam, rasam, sweetness or the essence of it. So the translation of the verse is actions like receiving, giving and performing one's duty, if not done or executed immediately, time takes away the essence or sweetness of it. It means of that action. I'll repeat the translation. If actions relating to receiving, giving and performing one's duty are not done immediately, time takes away the essence or sweetness of it. I hope you have understood the translation.
So students, this verse says every deed or act has its own worth based on the timing. What is appropriate today doesn't necessarily be good tomorrow. Especially when we have to pay back or we have to receive something from someone or when we have to perform our duties. All these things should be done instantly as soon as their need arises. If it is not done so, then the sweetness or the essence or significance of these things starts getting disappeared with the lapse of time. It's all in the timing. Time is the most important factor here. And time doesn't wait for anybody. The person who cannot catch up with time has to suffer. So do not procrastinate. Do not postpone the things and try to do them in time is what's suggested by this verse. I hope you have understood it. Now let me take you to some important grammatical points based on the given Natyamshaha.
The form is militva. Here the dhatuhu is mil and the pratyayah is tva. Now let's see Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Natyamshaha. The word akriyamanasya, which is given in the form of sanyogaha, is the Visheshanam of the words adanasya, pradanasya and karmanaha. The word karmanaha has one more adjective and it is kartavyasya.
So students, here ends the explanation of the chapter Go Dohanam. Now it's the time to discuss the abhyasaha or the exercise based on the lesson. But before we proceed, I want to tell you all to write down the shabdarthaha which are given at the end of your lesson. If you will refer to the textbook, at the end of the lesson you will find the list of the words along with their Sanskrit and English meaning. So write down the words with their Sanskrit meanings. Study them well, because from the examination point of view, even that part is very important. Now let me take you to the abhyasaha.
प्रथमः प्रश्नः एकपदेन उत्तरं लिखत. The first question is मल्लिका पूजार्थं सखिभिः सह कुत्र गच्छति स्म? Where did Mallika go along with her friends to worship? The answer is Kashi Vishwanatha Mandiram. The next question is Umayaha Pitamahena Kati Setakamitam Dugdham Apekshate Sma? How much milk was asked for by Uma's grandfather? And the answer is Trishata Setakamitam. The next one is Kumbhakarah Ghatan Kimartham Rachayati? Why did the potter make pots? And the answer is Jivikartham, or you can also write Jivika Hetoho, to earn his livelihood. The next question is Kani Chandanasya Jivvalolupatam Vardhante Sma? By seeing what did Chandan's greed of eating increase? In other words, due to what did Chandan's mouth start watering? And the answer is Modakani. The next one is Nandinyaha Padapraharaihi Kaha Raktaranjitaha Abhavat? Who got injured by the kicks of the cow? That is Nandini. And the answer is Chandanaha. Let's see the next question. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरं लिखत. मल्लिका चन्दनश्च मासपर्यन्तं धेनोः कथम् अकुरुताम्? The question means, how did Mallika and Chandan serve or cater to the cow for a month? And the answer is Mallika Chandanascha मासपर्यन्तं धेनोः सेवायां निरतौ अभवताम्. अस्मिन् क्रमे घासादिकं गुडादिकं च अभोजयताम्. कदाचित् विषाणयोः तैलम् अलेपयताम्, तिलकम् अधारयताम्, रात्रौ च निराजनेनापि अतोषयताम्. Take a note of an important point here. If the question is asked in lang lakarah, then the answer should be in the same lakarah. The next question is Kalah kasya rasam pibati? The essence or the sweetness of what has been taken away by time? And the answer is Kshipram akriyamanasya adanasya pradanasya kartavyasya cha karmanah tadrasam kalah pibati. The next question is Ghatamulyartham yada mallika swabhushanam datum prayatate tada kumbhakarah kim vadati? What did the potter say to Mallika when she tried to pay the price for the pots with her jewelry? And the answer is Ghatamulyartham yada mallika swabhushanam datum prayatate tada kumbhakarah vadati Putrike नाहं पापकर्म करोमि, कथमपि नेच्छामि त्वाम् आभूषणविहीनां कर्तुं, नयतु यथाभिलषितान् घटान्, दुग्धं विक्रीय एव घटमूल्यं ददातु इति. The next question is, मल्लिकया किं दृष्ट्वा धेनोः ताडनस्य वास्तविकं कारणं ज्ञातम्? Seeing what did Mallika get the real cause of cow's behavior of kicking Chandan? And the answer is, Mallika dhenum dogdum prayatat, परंतु तया दृष्टं यत् मासपर्यन्तं धेनोः दोहनं न कृतं, तेन सा पीडाम् अनुभवति स्म इति धेनोः ताडनस्य वास्तविकं कारणं तया ज्ञातम्. The next question is, मासपर्यन्तं धेनोः अदोहनस्य किं कारणमासीत्? What was the reason of not milking the cow for a month? And the answer is, ग्रामप्रमुखस्य गृहे मासान्ते उत्सवार्थं दुग्धम् आवश्यकम् आसीत्. चन्दनः अचिन्तयत्, यदि अहं मासान्ते दुग्धं भोक्ष्यामि तर्हि बहुधनं प्राप्स्यामि इति मासपर्यन्तं धेनोः अदोहनस्य कारणमासीत्. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. रेखाङ्कितपदानि आधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत. Frame questions using the underlined words. The first one is, Mallika sakhibihi sah dharmayatrayai gacchati sma. The word sakhibihi is of feminine gender and it is used in tritiya vibhaktihi bahuvachanam. So the prashna is, Mallika kabhihi sah dharmayatrayai gacchati sma. The next one is, चन्दनः दुग्धदोहनं कृत्वा एव स्वप्रातराशस्य प्रबन्धम् अकरोत्. The word स्वप्रातराशस्य is a pullingi shabdah and it is used in षष्ठी vibhaktihi ekavachanam. So the prashna is, चन्दनः दुग्धदोहनं कृत्वा एव कस्य प्रबन्धम् अकरोत्. The next one is, मोदकानि पूजानिमित्तानि रचितानि आसन्. The word modakani is used in prathama vibhaktihi bahuvachanam and it is a napunsakalingi shabdah. So the prashna is, kani puja nimittani rachitani asan. The next question is, Mallika swapatim chaturatamam manyate. Chaturatamam, this word is the adjective which is used to describe the word swapatim. So the question is, Mallika स्वपतिम कीदृशं मन्यते. The next sentence is, नन्दिनी पादाभ्यां ताडयित्वा चन्दनं रक्तरञ्जितं करोति. Nandini, this word is declined like the word nadi and it is used in prathama vibhaktihi ekavachanam. So the question is, का पादाभ्यां ताडयित्वा चन्दनं रक्तरञ्जितं करोति. Let's see the next question. Question number 4. Manjushayaha sahayataya bhavarthe riktasthanani purayata. Fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in the box. Students, I'll display the answers and will also explain you the meaning of the anuchedah. Such type of questions are based on the understanding of the lesson, so try to understand the meaning. यदा चन्दनः स्वपत्न्या काशी विश्वनाथं प्रति, and the answer is, धर्मयात्रायाः विषये जानाति तदा सः क्रोधितः न भवति यत् तस्याः पत्नी तं गृहव्यवस्थायै कथयित्वा सखीभिः सह भ्रमणाय गच्छति. When Chandan comes to know that his wife is going on a pilgrimage to Kashi Vishwanath, then he doesn't get angry with his wife for asking him to do household chores and going with her friends. Apitu tasyaah yatrayaah krute mangalakamanang kurvan kathayati. Rather, he wishes a safe journey, mangalakamanam kurvan. He wishes a safe journey to her, saying, Tava margaha shivaha, arthat
kalyanakarinah bhavantu. So he wishes her, saying, may your ways be auspicious. Marge kachidapi badhaha tava krute samasyam na dash. The answer is utpadayet. Students, here the word badhaha is printed wrong. It should be badha. May any hurdle not cause any problem to you along the way. एतेन सिद्ध्यति यत् चन्दनः नारीस्वतन्त्रतायाः समर्थकः आसीत्. This indicates that Chandan was the supporter of women's freedom. Thus, this Anuchchedah describes some good traits of the character Chandan in brief. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. Ghatanakramanusaram likata. Write the following sentences as per the chronological order. Students, you can pause the video and can think about the answer. You can solve this question at your own pace. I hope you are ready with your answer. So here is the correct order. The first sentence is Mallika Pujartham Modakani Rachayati. The second one is Sa Sakhibhihi Saha Tirthayatrayai Kashi Vishwanath Mandiram Pratigachati. The third one is Uma Masante Utsavartham Dugdhasya Avashyakata Vishaye Chandanam Suchayati. The fourth sentence is Chandanah Utsava Samaye Adhikam Dugdham Praptum Masaparyantam Dohanam Na Karoti. The fifth one is Chandanasya Patni Tirthayatram Samapya Gruham Pratyagachati. The sixth one is Ubhau Nandinyaha Sarvavidha Paricharya Kurutaha. The seventh one is Utsavadine Yada Dogdum Prayatnam Karoti Tada Nandini Padena Praharati. And the last sentence is Karyani Samaye Karaniyani Iti Chandanah Nandinyaha Pada Praharena Avagachati. I hope your answer is correct. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि कः कं प्रति कथयति इति प्रदत्तस्थाने लिखत. It is who said to whom. The one who says something should be in prathama vibhaktihi and the one to whom something is said should be in dvitiya vibhaktihi. One example is given here. Swamin pratyagata aham aswadaya prasadam. It is said by Mallika to Chandan. So the answer is Mallika Chandanam Prati. Dhanyavada Matula Yamya Adhuna. Thank you, uncle. I'll go now. The answer is Kaha Vadati, Uma Vadati, Chandanam Prati. The next one is Trisetakamitam Dugdham Shobhanam Vyavastha Bhavishyati. 300 liters of milk. Very good. The arrangement will be made. Kaha kathayati? Chandanah Umam Prati kathayati. The next one is Mulyam tu dugdham vikriyaiva datum shakyate. The price can be paid only after selling the milk. Kaha kam prati kathayati? Chandanah Devesham Prati kathayati. Putrike Naham papakarma karomi. O daughter, I will not commit such a sin. Kaha kam athva kam prati kathayati? Deveshah mallikam prati kathayati. Devi mayapi jnatam yadasmabhihi sarvathanuchitam krutam. O revered lady, even I have realized that we have done an absolutely wrong deed. Kaha kam athva kam prati kathayati? Chandanah mallikam prati kathayati. I hope you have understood it. Let me take you to the next question. Question number 7. Pathasya adharena pradatta padanam sandhin sandhichedam va kuruta. Students, you need to make or dissolve the sandhis here. The first one is Shivaste, and the answer is Shivaha plus te. The next one is Manah Haraha. Students, this is the question of make sandhi, so it should be Manah plus Haraha, and you have to make the sandhi of these two and you will get the word Manoharaha. The next one is Saptahante, and the answer is Saptaha plus ante. Nechchami, the answer is na plus ichchami. Atyuttamaha, and the answer is ati plus uttamaha. Let's see the next question. पाठाधारेण अधोलिखितपदानां प्रकृतिप्रत्ययञ्च संयोज्य विभज्य वा लिखत. Students, you will either split the dhatuhu and pratyayah, or you will join the pratyayah to the given dhatuhu to form a new word. The first one is karaniyam. Here the dhatuhu is kru and the pratyayah is aniyar. The next one is vi plus kri plus lyap, and the answer is vikriya. Pathitam, the dhatuhu is pat and the pratyayah is kta. The next one is tadaya plus twa, and the answer is tadayitva. And the next one is dogdhum. The dhatuhu is duha and the pratyayah is tumun. I hope you have understood it.
That brings us to the end of the presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. Keep on studying. We will meet again with a new topic. Till then, dhanyavadaha, punarmilamaha.